Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching Tricky Solution channel. And in this video we are going to learn about if else ladder statements. So here is the brief description about if else ladder statements. That the if else ladder statement in C programming language is used to test the set of conditions in sequence. These statements are used to check the number of conditions in the sequence, and if condition is tested only when all previous if condition in if else ladder is false. This condition is tested uh, when all the previous if conditions is getting false. If any of the conditional expression evaluates to true, then it will execute the corresponding code of block and exist whole if else ladder. And here is the syntax of if else ladder statements. That is, the first is if condition, second else if, third is the else if condition, and the fourth is else. If the first if condition is true, then the statement 1 is printed. Otherwise the if condition is getting false, then the second condition will check. Then the second condition is true, then second statement is printed. Otherwise the first two statements getting false, then the third condition may be true. If it is true, then the third statement is printed. Otherwise, the first three condition is getting false. Then and only then else part will execute it. So here I am writing a brief. Here I am writing a example based on if else ladder. So here is the implementation part. That is, and I am writer write a C program which demonstrate the use of if else if ladder statement. So here is the examples of if else ladder, that is the hash include stdio dot h hash include conio dot h. These are the libraries which are used in C programming language. And here is the main function, that is the void main means here we are returning nothing. So void main, and here is a here I am declaring variable, that is a and a, and print f entering any number, enter a number. We have to write a scanf for scanning the input. Scanf %d ampersand a. Here is the first condition we are going to check, that is the a is greater than 0, or the second condition is a is equals to 0, and the third condition is a is less than 0. So the first condition is if a is greater than 0. If this condition is true, then the statement print like given number given number is positive because it is greater than 0. And the second condition is else if, in this we are going to check that is a equals to 0. If this condition is true, then the statement is printf given number is 0. And the third condition is else if the a is less than 0, and then the printf the given number is negative. The given number is negative. This is the optional part, that is else we are printing any kind of statements in else part, that is the I have print invalid entered number, or you have entered invalid number. Yeah, this is fine. So here is the small program which is based on if else if ladder. In this program we are going to check that the entered number is positive or equal or negative. So let's run the code. If I entered 1, then it is positive. Yeah, because it is greater than 0. And run it again. If I have entered -1, then it is negative because it is less than 0. And if I have entered 0, then the given number is 0. Yeah, it is run perfectly. And for the else part I have entered then the given number is positive. I think this condition is false. So what's the problem? You can check it by yourself. And hope you like the content of this video. If you like the content of this video, then do like, share, comment, and also hit the subscribe button. Thank you.